morning everyone, I'm Coach Mike of Anytime Fitness Marikina. If you're wondering what I was doing earlier, it's called the lateral lunge. Why is it called the lateral lunge? Because it's a variation of the regular lunges but doing the movement laterally. It's good for developing lower body strength and training the glutes and the thighs. So, shall we begin and let's learn how to do this exercise? To do the lateral lunge, I'll have Glenn here. Sige, Glenn. So, step laterally to the side. Ayan. So, yung distance from the starting point is 2 steps. Okay? And then, yung lunge mo, i-focus mo on that leg. Yes. So, either you can have your hands forward or hands here in front of you. So, inhale going down, then exhale going back up. And then, balik yung pa. And then, lunge to the other side, doing the same thing. Yeah, either hands in front of you or hands forward. So you continue, do 4 more repetitions on each side. Again, inhale going down, then exhale going up. So make sure you also squeeze those legs muscles. And also make sure your back is straight, chest out, and then the core is tight. To prevent injury in doing the lunges, make sure your knee doesn't go over the alignment of your toes. Sige, Glenn, show us how to do it the wrong way. Sige, make sure yung knee mo, lumalagpas siya sa alignment ng toes. And then again, do a lunge, do it the correct way. So again, lunge to the side. And if you notice, yung toe niya aligned with the knee. So that's how you do the lateral lunge correctly. So again, do another one. Another point here is make sure your chest is out and the back is straight so you also don't hurt your lower back. Okay, so the lateral lunges is good for everyone. But if you have knee problems, there are other modifications that you can do instead of doing this exercise. If you have a knee problem, doing the lateral lunges, you can have a chair to support your squats. Go. Sige, lunge to the side, and then slowly go down so that you don't go too low on doing the lunges. Sige, again, do 4 more repetitions. Three. Still continue on the inhale and the exhale. Okay, so you just learned the proper way of doing the lateral lunges. Just follow the steps that I mentioned earlier and you can do it at your own free time. Now, if you want to know more about this exercise or take it to the next level, just visit our webpage, our Facebook page, or any Anytime Fitness branch near you. Again, this is Coach Mike of Anytime Fitness Marikina.